So I don't know why I keep trying to film my videos for Fridays on Tuesdays, knowing that apparently every Tuesday morning people are cutting their lawn. Like, this is the lawn kind of time at like 8:58 in the morning. You know what I mean? Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my YouTube thumbnails secrets using the Over app. To talk about the Over app because I feel like I'm using it pretty much all the time and I don't feel like I've introduced it well. So the Over app, it's available on Android as well as App Store. I'm looking for my app. So here it says Over app graphic design maker. With the Over app you can do pretty much everything about design. So if you're thinking of making a logo, cover for YouTube, or kind of graphic for Instagram or your blog posts, well, Over is the way to go. It's like Canva, but I don't know, I feel like I'm an Over app girl. I've never been a Canva girl. Maybe if I had started with Canva I would have been. But you know. Anyways, the app is pretty complete. I seriously do everything with the Over app. They have a feed, they featured some stuff that you can do, and they have amazing templates that you can use, some ideas that you can get from them, and if you have the pro version, this is just like the best tool ever for everything design. This is why today we are using the Over app to make a YouTube thumbnail. But I am not only going to share what I'm doing on Over, I'm going to share with you my entire YouTube thumbnails secret process. Meaning, pretty much going to show you what I do from the beginning to the end regarding the thumbnail. For this video, I'm going to edit the thumbnail from my last video, so the video that you probably seen last Friday, and this is the video about how to make a social media content calendar in Trello. So what I did 2 weeks ago is shoot my video, then after I'm done I'm taking tons of pictures of myself with the thing that I use. For example, for that particular thumbnail I was doing a content calendar in Trello, so I took my computer with the Trello boards, and this is what's going to be the cover about. But there's way more things that you have to add to your thumbnail to make it excellent. Alright, I have my computer over here. I'm gonna look at all the pictures that I took and I'm going to choose the one that I think people will give attention to. I always put my pictures on my hard drive, so this is there as well. Let's see what kind of picture we can find. The process of finding the best picture for your YouTube thumbnail is long, okay? I actually take maybe 10 to 13 pictures of me holding my computer like this to finally get one that I think would be nice. So let's get to the second step, which is transferring this picture from my computer, from my hard drive to iPad. And from my iPad we're going to go on Facetune 2 and we're going to start by blurring the background. are good with the unfocus, we're going to save to camera roll, and we're going to go on the next step, which is going to Lightroom and apply your preset. Alright, I have added my photo on Lightroom, and now I'm going to use the preset option. The one I use for YouTube is called Rose Pastel. Like it. Okay, now we save it and it's time to go on over. This is the result. Now you only have to save it, add it to your YouTube video. You know everything about my YouTube thumbnail secrets using the Over app. So let's recap quick. Choose the photo you want to put on your YouTube thumbnail. Bring it to Facetune 2 and blur the background. Add it to Lightroom and use Lightroom preset. Then bring it to Over. Write the main subject of your video. So me, that was content calendar, and that was on Trello. So my title was how to make a content calendar for social media using Trello. So I use content calendar and Trello. you know, you don't have to put the entire title on your thumbnail. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you actually did watch this video until the end, thank you so much, you are the best. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to never miss any of my future video. Until next Friday, take care, see you next time.